to day 2. It's dawn. People are still asleep on the board. The sun's just coming up. People are still fast asleep on the deck. Last night's diving was fun. Did the night dive. My super non-fog mask completely fogged up halfway through the dive, so that was hilarious. It was like driving through fog.
This morning and not destroying this beautiful map because Ben worked hard to make it for us. And it is a beautiful dive site and we're going to go back there for dive number 2. So for the picture of the map for our dive site this time, dive number 1 this morning, you can look behind you and see here, this is known as Pineapple Bay. Pineapple Bay is a really beautiful reef that we have here in Surin Island.
Day 2, dive 1, morning dive, done. Definitely the worst on air in my group anyway. Got a 50-minute diving, so I'm quite happy with that. Saw some interesting stuff. Breakfast now. diving for a moment. So I've discovered I brought my mast while I was here, so I think you may have seen the video already. My dive guide fixed my mast for me, glued it together, and burnt off all the excess grease. Mast steamed up on my night dive, fogged up should I say, and my fabulous anti-fog mast that's no longer anti-fog. Thank you, Cressy, thanks for that one. So yeah, I'm going to take a little bit of weight off for the next couple of dives now. I'm going to drop a few kilos. So I started off on 7. I always like to start a little bit buoyant. Sorry, not buoyant, a little bit heavy, and then I can work myself down the weights. As you get more comfortable diving, you tend to be dropping weights anyway. I've been diving for a long time, got thousands of dives in, and it's always the same. Your first couple of dives, you know, you just want to relax, get into it, make sure you're going down, and then as you build up your confidence, build up your, you know, your diving on the trip, just start shedding the weight and get comfortable with a little bit less weight on. So that's a step going forward. Definitely the worst on air in my group anyway. Maybe you just need to chill out. I've been using a camera for the first time, and I think that's caused a massive effect. I'm kind of like thinking more about the camera than actual focusing on the diving. So I think I've said this before in a previous video, I'm actually going to completely sack off the camera now. I'm just going to take it on one or two dives towards the end of the trip, when I'm completely comfortable in the water and nice and relaxed. Don't know if that's a tip for anybody else, especially if you're just starting out diving. You tend to start task loading. It affects your buoyancy, it affects your diving in general. So for the next few dives, I'm just going to really chill out, really relax, and just make sure I'm just living my best life, just doing the diving, and let someone else take the pictures, and I'll pinch those off them at some point later. Okay, so we're going to head off back to the longtail boat now, back over to the Sea Dragon Andaman, back over to this afternoon's dive, and I'll catch you on the dive briefing. Okay. Should be in the water for hopefully around about 12 o'clock.
Next dive, the dive site called Southeast Rock. Okay. To jam with the big fish also, and also nice with the landscape of the dive site, but it's water underwater. That is quite tricky with the current also.
So the highlight for dive 2 has been attacked by the triggerfish. Oh, it attacked my guide for about 2 or 3 minutes. He wouldn't leave him alone. Oh, happy times. Short 50 minutes that one. Lots of current. Very chill. Very relaxed on that one. So yeah, one more dive of the day. I'm not quite sure where we're going, but we're going to soon find out, and I'll let you know. Okay. Still sunny. The weather's holding out. Having a really good time. Telling the story about being attacked by the triggerfish. Oh, brilliant. Oh, it's not often. We're on dinner time. Thank you.
Also, we're going to see. You're likely to see some of the rays. Hopefully you can see some of the bigger rays like the Jenkins ray, but also possibly the Cool's ray with the blue spots, the corals around here. But again, I think people don't really appreciate them as much as maybe I do. The little damselfish, but I like the juvenile ones in particular. The little tiny blackfish with a white dot on them. You'll see them in the little tiny corals that sort of swimming around. Usually.
So just back from the last dive of the day, dive 3 of day 2. I'll just show you a picture before. I'll insert a picture here somewhere. The dive site we've just done. It's the same dive site as we did last night, the night dive, and it's absolutely stunning. One of the best dives I've done here when I've been on the boat. It's just coral in pristine condition. The sun's out, as you can see. Nice shallow dive for me. 10 metres there, 7 metres on the way back. Shallowed out to 5 to do a safety stop. Fish, the corals, the colours, absolutely outstanding. this is why I fall in love with diving. This is why I want to keep coming back again and again and again to dive this kind of stuff. All the troubles in the world, you get down in the water, you look at this stuff, and it's just, you're just blessed to be on this earth. Just outstanding. So yeah, okay. I'll catch you later at the barbecue tonight. Cooking up a barbecue. All good?
Good, Cap.
Oh, good. Give us a smile. Hey.